Zone distribution analysis, covering how the numbers work, what you see step by step. PIRX analyzes all your runs from the last 21 days and calculates how much time you spent in each heart rate zone. Zone 2, efficiency, measures whether your easy effort pace is getting faster at the same heart rate, a sign of improving aerobic fitness. A table of your 5 heart rate training zones, Zone 1 through Zone 5. Each row shows the zone name, the HR range, the pace range, and the percentage of time spent there. The backend reads stored HR zones from each activity over the last 21 days. Zones are defined by heart rate as a percentage of your max HR, default 190 BPM. Zone 1 is below 60%, Zone 2 is 60-70%, Zone 3 is 70-80%, Zone 4 is 80-90%, Zone 5 is 90% and above. Strava tells you what you did. Garmin shows your data. PIRX tells you why it happened and what's next. Read the full guide at pirx.ca/docs and start your 14-day free trial today.